Hello Aries, welcome to Archangel Michael Tarot. After a small gap, I'm back. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. So I plan to do the April reading up till the midst of the month for you guys. This is a general reading, and but it will have leanings towards love, relationships, career, health, finances, etc. as it resonates with you. So if you feel that the reading does not resonate, then probably it could be do with your more prominent placements in the chart. So you just accept what is and let go of the rest. Okay. So I'll be pulling a card from the Angel Answers Oracle deck, and after that we will go on to the tarot reading. The angel card will have an answer for a question that you have in mind for this time period. Okay, whatever is there in your mind. So let's get started with a prayer to the universe, angels, spirit guides, Archangel Michael, and all the ascended masters. Okay, so angels, spirit guides, Archangel Michael, ascended masters, universe, please give me the most apt message that you would like Aries to know to a question that they have in mind for April. The situation will improve. So if this is in relation to something that you have in mind, then this is your answer. As I said, it might not resonate or it will resonate. Take it as it does. Okay, let's get into the tarot reading. So I'll take 3 cards. One is a situation that you are in now. Second is your challenges in achieving your goals related to the situation, and third will be advice from spirit. Okay, so okay, the first card is fallen out. Current situation is the Star. Okay, current situation is the Star. Let's get your challenges towards achieving the situation. There are 2 that fell out. One is the 10 of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. The other is the Ace of Pentacles. 10 of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. So these are the challenges. Okay, now regarding the third card, this is advice from spirit. Okay, or it can be the outcome as well, or what spirit thinks will be the outcome. The Wheel. All right. So I believe there is some situation that you are in that probably needs some sort of a healing. Okay, and wish fulfillment that is in the works at the moment. You're deriving some sort of healing energy from something or someone, or you are currently moving towards resolving a conflict, or you are working towards your goal, you're moving towards your goal. But let's get some explanation cards, clarification cards. So angel, spirit guides, Archangel Michael, please let me know why Aries has the Star as current energies. I always have this tendency of keeping the cards in the reverse position where before shuffling. Okay, Ace of Cups. So there's going to be a new beginning for you guys. Ace of Cups is the new beginning. Okay, so the Star is related to the Ace of Cups, and there is going to be a new beginning, emotional beginning for you after a healing period. Okay. Now, the second card is the 10 of Swords. So there's going to be an ending to something, or you're going through an ending, which will lead to a new beginning here, the Ace of Pentacles. But this is in your challenge position. Probably there's going to be some sort of a delay for you, but let's see why this is happening. We'll pull out a couple of cards to find out. The Queen of Cups. There is a Scorpio in your life, probably. Or there is a female figure who is a Scorpio, or somebody who is very emotionally mature, intuitive, and very nurturing, who thinks with her heart. That doesn't mean that she is naive, but this person definitely is there in your mind. or the situation, okay? But the challenge is the 10 of swords. So you're not able to get over the past and go to this new beginning, okay? I don't know why that is. Let's see why why the spirit says the wheel. So wheel is actually the beginning or the end of a cycle, okay? The spirit is saying that the situation wherein you are hurting from, or you're wanting to move away from, is coming, it's coming full circle for you. The wheel indicates change. So time heals everything, okay? So this is explained by the 3 of Wands and the 2 of Wands. Okay, so you are definitely going to make this change. It's going to go from a need to go for a new change to waiting for your ships to come in. So currently you're putting in all the required work, so that this change can come about. And it is explained by the situation will improve card, definitely. So whatever is, if it is a relationship with someone, if it is a work situation, whatever it is that had been hurting you is going to come full circle, and you're going to you're going to get your your new beginning or your wish fulfillment. Let's get one more card for the wheel over here. Angels, spirit guides, Archangel Michael, please let me know why the wheel is here, for Aries as the outcome or your advice. Please let me know. Judgment. So there's going to be a decision, a divine decision or a decision from your end towards something, okay? So that's your reading, Aries. It's a very good reading. Whichever situation seems to be hurting you now will definitely improve. I hope this comes true for you. If this is resonating, do let me know in the comments, okay? God bless you and have a wonderful April. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.